Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, power windows, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.